Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget a couple of cloves of minced garlic, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve a perfectly smooth sauce. Next, melt 1/4 cup of butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, add your 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to brown it. Then, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and let it come to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. This step is crucial for a creamy base. Now it's time for the star ingredient, the cheese. Gradually whisk in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a little at a time, ensuring it melts completely into the cream. Keep stirring constantly to prevent clumping and achieve that signature silky texture. Finally, season your sauce with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Continue to cook the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly to your desired consistency. Remember, it will thicken more as it cools. Remove the sauce from the heat and immediately toss it with your freshly cooked pasta. Serve hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a little extra grated Parmesan cheese on top. Enjoy your delicious homemade Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.